I will check the function. It's a music store, I think. We want to check Røde microphones that I can add to this one. Because that's what Casey Neistat is using, the Røde microphone. So that my video, so that the audio of this one, all my videos that I'm going to make, hopefully, will be as great as, I don't know, Casey Neistat's vlogs. I think this is the center. Wow, that's lovely. The mall itself, the building itself is captured. See that? So, see who I'm with. There, sir. Whoa. All right. Found it. Let's get inside. So voila, they don't have that one here. They suggested to go to Virgin Mega Store. I'll try one in Dubai Mall, and then if there's nothing there, perhaps I can make it the next day. Traffic. Look at that. The beautiful Burj Khalifa right there. Now 7:09 and still we haven't found that Røde microphone that we've been looking for. We will try at Virgin Dubai Mall if they have one, as what was suggested by the Thompson guys. Alright, Dubai Mall, the biggest mall sa tibuok kalibutan. Alright. Wala, nada. There's a Canon showroom here. Bason. Let's try the Canon showroom. Virgin Megastore, they don't have Røde microphone. Ang hirap ko nito. Canon. Let's go, Canon. Don't fail me, Canon. It's not here, so I got to order online. I have to wait another several days for this one. It's kind of frustrating. I think that's how really good Røde microphone is. What can you say about this microphone?
I like it.
Huh? Is it weird? Hmm?
No.
Yep, I now got the Rode microphone. I have installed it already in this camera, and this is just to try out how it works. I don't know if I can find a perfect place for time lapse. I will also be testing the time lapse feature of this one. It has a built-in time lapse, and I hope I can get some because the sky is not that clear today. Look at that. I don't know. That wraps up the test of this camera EOS 80D, from the unboxing down to testing of the microphone, the built-in microphone of the camera without the Røde Videomic microphone Pro, and the testing of the time lapse, and the testing of the Røde Videomic Pro. So that's it. Daghang salamat.